right, folks, Honda Civic here. Cabin air filter. Auto brand, AutoZone brand STP. CAF1781. Notice the airflow arrow pointing down. Remember that, you're gonna need that for later. Like I said, all cabin filters usually behind the glove box. What I did here was, I put the little masking tape over the contents so nothing falls out, because you don't want to mess this all up, because nothing's going to go back to the way it was. All right, so over here, just push the sides in, one side, two sides, anything will drop out of the way. Oh, I push it a little bit more. There you go. All right, once it drops out of the way, it'll hang just like that with the contents. In here, right, this long little panel right here, that's where it is. So there's one on each side, one here and one on the other side. Okay, you pinch them together and you take it out. Otherwise, just take one and it'll come right out. There's your filter right there. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out and we'll see what the surprises are. You can already see already that there seems to be a leaf there. All right, let's take it out. All right, there it comes. I'm gonna wiggle it out. And there's your surprise. All right, a little dirty? I think so. Let's get rid of it. Let's get the new one. Look in there to make sure there's no dirt in there. It looks clean. If you remember the airflow on this one, it's pointing down. Okay, because it's flowing this way. That's why all the dirt is in there. Okay, you can open this up and you see the mess in there. It's crazy. Could be a bird's nest in there. All right, so it's gonna go back the same way. Grab your little filter out of the box. Airflow down. Wiggle a little bugger in there. Just like that. Take your little cover. Line it up. Snap, snap. There you go. Oh, look at that one. Nice. It says airflow down. Thank you, Nissan. See, sometimes the dealers help you. All right. So now the rest of this is just to push this in, and then you're good to go. I'm going to take the contents out of here. Tape. All right. And then close the door, and we are good to go. That's one down. Two down. There you go. All done. Need some macaroni cheese? Plenty on the floor here. All right. Ciao. Thanks for watching, guys.